Would you like to increase your creativity? Well, I have a brand new mudra for you today, and it's called the Shakti Mudra. So to do this, I'd like you to go ahead and sit comfortably, whether you're indoors or outdoors, and just ground your heels to the earth. Now you can decide if you want your shoes on or your shoes off. I typically like to have my shoes off, but it's a little muddy over here, so I'm going to go with my shoes on today. So go ahead and sit comfortably and hold up your fingers. And remember that a mudra is just a hand gesture you do with your fingers. So each one of your fingers helps channel energy. So we're going to focus on our creativity, our expressing ourselves and releasing emotions that get trapped in our hips. So we're going to be focusing on our sacral plexus today. So hold up your hands, and we're going to go ahead and put your thumbs down, and you're going to put your index finger and middle finger over your thumbs. Now connect your ring finger and your pinky finger just like this. And now place this right by your hips where your sacral plexus is. And now we're just going to go ahead and relax and ground and be calm and feel the flow of the water behind us. So breathe in your nose, your victorious breath. Exhale through your nose. And if you feel comfortable, close your eyes and just be here with me right now, grounding ourselves in the present moment and allowing our creativity to come through.
Now, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the cool air as it enters through your nose. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold softly for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale slowly through your nose. Allow your shoulders to soften. Allow your jaw to relax. Again, breathing in through your nose for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And slowly breathing out through your nose. There is nowhere else you need to be right now. Nothing to solve, nothing to fix. Just this breath, just this moment. As you sit beside the flowing water, notice how the river continues moving without effort. Thoughts may come and go the same way. If your mind begins to wander, that's completely okay. Minds are meant to think. When you notice you've drifted into thoughts, simply acknowledge it with kindness and gently guide yourself back to your breath, back to the feeling of the air entering your nose, back to the rise and fall of your chest, back to this present moment. Take another slow breath in through your nose for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And slowly release through your nose. Feel yourself becoming more grounded, more centered, more connected to the steady rhythm of your breath. The past has already passed. The future has not yet arrived. This moment is where life is happening. Continue breathing slowly and naturally. Allow each breath to bring a little more calm, a little more clarity, a little more presence. And simply rest here, breathing, noticing, and being.
Be sure to interact with this video 3 times, like, share, and this lets me know you would like more mood elevating tip videos. Namaste.